Kabilang pa rin ang Pilipinas sa mga nangungulelat sa math, science at reading comprehension batay sa isang Global Student Assessment. Ang Program for International Student Assessment o PISA, isang Global Reading Comprehension Study na isinasagawa sa 600,000 estudyante sa buong mundo na may edad 15 taon. Sinagawa ito ng...
One thing that mathematics does is it gives us hope. It teaches us that every problem has a solution. In life also, you can apply mathematics to solve your problems, like adding positivity, subtract negativity, multiply happiness, divide sadness, use some formulas, some permutations, some combination, and eventually you will find the solution to every problem. So if you hated mathematics as a student, let mathematics inspire you to find solution to as many problems in your life today as possible.
Ay, anong oras na pala? Estudyante ko. Morning, class.
Morning, sir.
My class is down.
Thank you, sir.
My class, our topic for today is all about Fibonacci sequence.
Hay nako, ano naman?
Sequence is sum of two previous terms. Close and the last two terms to get the next term. Mag-add kayo ng dalawa.
Sir,
Yes, Miss Bakala.
sir, hindi ko na naiintindihan ako yung wala na, di ba, classmate? Oo nga,
Okay, class, para mas maintindihan yung Fibonacci sequence, makinig kayo.
Ang mathematics ay para sa inyo. Komplikado man matututo kayo. Kung gusto mo lang, kakayanin mo to. Mathematics ay panamata, di ko'y makikita niyo. Matematika ay masaya.